The first of the Trinity, my grandfather's box. Knowledge that our seniors suffered for, handed and passed down through generations, all for you. My grandfather's box welcomes you. Log in, purchase, and become the senior you will never forget. The knowledge has been now passed on to you. All case study conditions are available here. Gastroenteritis, we have labor, cellulitis, I mean all conditions in my grandfather's box. Become the nurse the world desperately needs by choosing your case study PDF Word documents all in my grandfather's box.